In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Docs. If you regularly open the same Google Doc and want faster access to it, creating a desktop shortcut is a simple way to save time. Instead of opening your browser, going to Google Drive, and searching for the file each time, you can place a shortcut right on your desktop and open it with a single click. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Google Doc you want to create a shortcut for. Make sure you have the exact document open in your browser tab before moving on, because the shortcut will point directly to the page you're currently viewing. This is especially helpful if it's a document you use often, like a shared tracker, a template, or an everyday working file. Once your Google Doc is open, look to the top right corner of your Chrome browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main options panel, where you'll find several browser tools and actions. Take your time here if you don't use this menu often, because the next option is nested inside another section. From that menu, hover over the option called Cast, Save, and Share. When you move your cursor over it, another menu will appear with more choices related to saving or sharing the page you're on. This is the section that includes the shortcut feature you need. Next, click Create Shortcut. Chrome will then open a small confirmation window titled Create a Shortcut to this page. This window gives you a chance to confirm that you want to place a shortcut on your desktop for the current Google Doc. In that confirmation window, click Create. As soon as you do, Chrome will generate the shortcut for you. You should then be able to find it on your desktop, ready to use. From that point on, you can double-click the shortcut whenever you want to open that document quickly. A helpful tip is to rename the shortcut later if you want it to be easier to recognize, especially if you plan to make shortcuts for multiple Google Docs. Keeping your desktop organized can make this even more useful. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for your Google Doc using Chrome. It's a quick setup, but it can make your workflow much smoother if you access the same document often.